This is Rich. I'm coming live with some price action on the binary markets. It's 9:32 a.m. July 2nd, 2013. Markets are chasing this 5-minute wick here. We could see some lows for the day, but I'm expecting this challenge to work, and I'm going to take a call option. It's going to be pretty early, so if it goes against me, it gives me some time to get to the north side later on. You can kind of see the price action here, and I'm going to get in this trade right now. In at 1.2997, just below the whole number 1.3000. Getting down this area again. It's pretty wild. Hope everyone's having a good week so far. It is Tuesday. We are back and cranking. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, tweet, and all that good stuff. Get it out there to the people. Anyway, in this trade, I'm going to go to a 1-minute chart. Let's go to an up arrow. We'll put it on this one. Might not be exactly this price point, but if the purple line is definitely a clear-cut winner since we're up right now, but it needs to get probably in between this level and this level. But we do have time to go. We do have about 10 minutes to go. So price could move against us for a little bit and then pop back up to the whole number, and that's what I'm expecting on this particular trade. So we'll watch it closely. Daily chart real quick, still acting funky, climbed all the way up for those 2-3 weeks, and then has dropped off the last couple weeks, and now it's starting to consolidate, formulate at this 130 like it did here, and we started trading this price action. I don't expect too much to happen this week with the holiday and everything, but we could see a movement. Look for false breakouts as well. Be careful of big moves that may look like they're going to happen and they don't. I'm not saying this isn't going to break out to the south side right here. Here's the low of the day. Does it break the low of the day and push down to the 129.50? I don't know. But so right now, price is moving in our direction, so that's what we want. I took a Forex trade right here on my other platform, and I caught this move to support level 2. So I caught a nice 15 pip winner this morning. I wasn't looking for binary trades. I mean, I was looking for binary trades, but I was more focused on the Forex trade at that particular time because I wasn't able to record. So I was able to do a Forex trade and got a nice winner there. So U.S. markets are open. It's 9:34. I'm going to pause, and then we'll come back. Hopefully have a winner. We're fighting right now, but that's okay. It's still early. Okay, guys, we are back here. We are in our final minute. We had a little bit of pain at the early onset, like I thought we would do, because we got in early. We got in with like 12, 13 minutes to go. You can see our entry on this particular candle here. Price moved in our favor and then dropped off right here. Formed a nice wick. Made a new low. Touched this wick here. Perfect entry for a call option. Perfect entry for a long Forex trade. The risk reward is pretty good here at this level. Looks like it's doing a double bottom, and now it's hanging at the whole number to close out our trade, and we should have a nice winner to finish up the day. Definitely a good trade. I like the climb here. 1, 2, 3 solid candles up in our favor. That just means all the shorts are getting squeezed up a little bit, and you can see it's continuing. If we can hang around the 130 number, it's going to make its move to the north side, possibly get back up to the 3017 here, even the 32 area if possible, if it does get the momentum to the north side. Let's check in on the U.S. markets while this trade finishes up. I know for a fact it's in the green. U.S. market's pretty flat. Not much going on at all. Check Apple stock. I always like to look at Apple stock. It acts different. You watch Apple stock when the markets are down. Apple is up. When the markets are up, Apple is down. But it's got a little rally going on since its fall off from the 450s. Dropped all the way down to 390s, and now it's back to the 410s or so. So this market's looking pretty interesting. Euro USD, 1-minute chart. Let's go check out the back and make sure it closed out, and then maybe we can look at a couple other things. Okay, so here it is at 1.29970, and it closed at 1.30003. So it's about 3.5 pips in our direction. Nothing crazy. but it did work out really well for us, and now price is at that pretty much that level right now. We did see probably 5 or 6 pips in our favor, but it closed out with 3 pips in our favor. Solid trade. I liked it near the bottom here. I knew I gave it enough time to double bottom on this piece here. I gave enough time to do this, which is right here, and then push back up. Had I gotten in a little bit later, I could have gotten in trouble, but I like the trade. Now price is moving up, as you can see right now. This is still a 1 minute chart, so we're hitting that 30.006 number. Could be interesting to see how this reacts at this level, support level 2. It's actually a good potential put option. I don't know if I would take it though, because momentum is building. We double bottomed, so we could see reverse in the markets for the day. We're looking at a daily chart. It's pretty down. Definitely engulfing this candle over here for an engulfing drop down to the south side. So I expect consolidation to occur pretty soon. A nice 5-minute candle here. You can see it. I'm probably going to get an alert in a couple seconds telling me I got a nice strong 5-minute candle, and you can see the wicks here, beautiful wicks. One here, the testing wick here, and the push back up. So great trade. This used to be one of my favorite Forex trades, and still is the challenge of the wicks. You got a nice 5-minute wick, especially near the lows or the highs, depending on the day, and the challenge that occurs, it will extend through it. You give it some space to occur. So if it does challenge it and it gets through it, that's where you set your stop, probably 10, 15, possibly even 20 pips below the wick, depending on how large you go. And you look for the move back up to the north side, at least to the most recent resistance, and then you can decide whether you should shed some lots or let it run. So that's something to consider if you're looking at some Forex trades in the future. So I'm going to close out the video, kind of keep it a little bit shorter, and we'll continue tomorrow, Wednesday, for our final trade until Friday, because there's no trading on Thursday. So this is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel, like, comment, and get involved. Appreciate that, and we'll go from there. So we'll talk to you on Wednesday for the trade of the day.